Good morning, UKG kids. Take your English book, Phonic Drill of U, page number 1616. Today we will learn U sound. U having U sound, R sound. We are saying useful, U, uniform, U. Bus, us. No? Yes. US as so you having U sound also and sound. So see here, bus, sound, bus, sun, hut, jug, 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 us, bus, bus, use, nut, rut, rut, put, cup, pup, sup, jug, gut, tug, queer, but, cut, nut, nut, nun, sun, run, pure, bug, dug, hug, null, hub, pup, rush, rub, cub, tub, dub, mug, your, diffuse, bun, fun, gun, unit, bush, push, refuse, bull, full, pull, fuse, reuse, secure, union, unite, unity, abuse, misuse, excuse, utensil. So kids, you must practice these words. Now see here, encircle the correct choice. They given the picture and options also. So we circle the correct one. Which one? What is this? This is a dustbin. Did you see anything right? Use me. Anna? Yes. So see, use, abuse, excuse. Use, abuse, excuse. What will come? Answer is use. Use. What is this? But, cut, nut, N-U-T, nut. Push, bush, rush. दरवाजों को ऐसे करना क्या है? Push. Dug, jug, hug. What is this? Jug. J-U-G, jug. F-U-N, fun. G-U-N, gun. N-U-N, nun. What is this? Gun. So you circle gun. TUB tub, CUB cup, HUB hub. This is tub. TUB tub. Pull, full, bull. What is this? Bull. 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 Cup, pup, sup. Cup. 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 So you do this work also and read again you read and practice these all the words. Okay kids?